We have already learned about similarity criteria for triangles. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on that. The first question is, S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P equal to RTS. We need to show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So already in the question they have given angle P equal to RTS. Now if you consider these two triangles, because we need to prove that these two triangles are similar. So if you consider the triangle RPQ, big triangle, and the small triangle RTS, here angle R is common for both the triangles. So two angles are equal in both the triangles. So I can say that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by AA similarity criteria. So if two angles, corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then their corresponding sides will be proportional, and hence these two triangles are similar by AA similarity criteria. So next question, in the given figure, if ABE is congruent to ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So if they have given ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, that means angle A will be equal to angle A, again angle B is equal to angle C, and angle D will be equal to angle E. Also the side AB will be equal to AC, BE is equal to CD, and AE will be equal to AD. So congruent means corresponding sides and corresponding angles will be equal. Now we need to show that triangle ADE, that is the small triangle, is congruent to this big triangle ABC. So triangle ADE, we need to show triangle ADE is congruent to the big triangle ABC. So either by using AAA similarity criteria or SSS similarity criteria or SAS similarity criteria we have to use, and we have to show that these two triangles are similar. So from here I am going to write AB, they have given AB equal to AC. Also they have given AE equal to AD, because these two triangles are congruent. So I got the relation like this. Now going to just divide this. We know AB by AC. If I divide this AB, AC I take to the left side, AB by AC is equal to 1. In the same way, AE divided by AD will be equal to 1. So AB divided by AC and AE divided by AD both are 1. So I can equate this. I will be getting AB by AC equal to AE divided by AD. Also angle A is common for both the triangles. Angle A is common. So we can see AB by AC is same as AD by AE, and the angle included angle is also same. So I can say that these two triangles, that is triangle ABC, is similar to triangle ADE by SAS similarity criteria. These two triangles are similar. So we have used the congruence property, and finally we proved that these two triangles are similar. So next, in the given figure, altitude AD and CE intersect each other at the point P. We need to show that triangle AEP is congruent to triangle CDP. So first, we have to take those two triangles. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP. So this is AEP and this is CDP. We can see that these two are vertically opposite angles. So I can write APE equal to CPD. It is vertically opposite angle. Again, these two are altitude. So these two angles will be 90 degree. So I can write angle C. When you take those two triangles CDP, angle CDP is equal to angle AEP, so equal to 90 degree. So these two triangles are congruent by AA similarity criteria. If two angles are equal, corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the corresponding sides will be proportion, and hence those two triangles will be similar. Now we'll take the next one, ABD, that is ABD, this triangle, and CBE. CBE. So if you take the triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, we can see that in these two triangles, we can see that angle B is common. When I take ABD and CBE, angle B is common. Again, these two angles are ABD. ABD. So this angle is 90 degree. So I can write angle ADB is equal to angle in this triangle CEB equal to 90 degree. So these two triangles ABD is similar to triangle CBE by AA similarity criteria. Now, so two we have proved by AA similarity criteria. The third one we will take, that is the small triangle AEP and this triangle ADB. Again, in this triangle AEP and triangle ADB, here angle A is common as well as E and D will be 90 degree. I can write AEP is equal to angle ADB equal to 90 degree. So these two triangles are similar by AA similarity criteria. These two triangles are similar. And finally the last one, PDC and BEC. So PDC, this triangle, and BEC. So this full triangle, we can give this as equation number 1. In this case, angle C is common, and again we have PDC, this angle is 90 degree, and BEC, so this angle will be 90 degree. Again, these two triangles are congruent by AA similarity criteria. So one common angle and one 90 degree or vertically opposite angle according to the question. Then we can, if two angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, then the sides will be proportional, and hence those two triangles will be similar. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. You can see ABCD is a parallelogram, and BE and CD, they intersect at the point F. We need to show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So ABE means this big triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. This we need to prove. So here I can write that, like, if I am giving this angle as 1 and this angle as 2, I can write angle 1 equal to angle 2, because by alternate interior angle these two angles are equal. We know in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel, so we can consider AB and CD are parallel lines and EB as a transversal. So this will be alternate interior angle. In the same way, I can consider this 3 and 4. I can write angle 3 equal to angle 4, because it is also alternate interior angles. We can see that these two sides are parallel, and we can consider again EB as transversal. So from this, F is equal to angle B and E is equal to angle B of this triangle. So this is by alternate interior angle. These two angles are equal. Therefore, we can say that ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity criteria. These two triangles are similar. So in the given figure, ABC and AMP are two triangles right angled at B and M respectively. This is 90 degree, also 90 degree. We need to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle AMP. So ABC congruent to AMP, similar to AMP. We need to prove this. So we will take those two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, so which angle is common for both this triangle? Angle A is common. So I can write angle A is common for both the triangles. Again, angle AMP is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So by AA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. AA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, I can write that if two triangles are similar, I can write CA is divided by, we can write CA divided by PA. CA of this triangle divided by PA is equal to BC divided by MP, because corresponding parts of ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional, or corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So in that way we have proved both. First we have proved triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by AA similarity criteria, and this directly from here we can write ratios of corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So thank you for watching my video.